Let's learn how to enable internet speed meter. In this A06 mobile doesn't come default internet speed meter, so we want to download third party application. Go to your mobile Play Store and search here internet speed meter. After you can see this application, internet speed meter Lite application, you can install it. After open the application, you want to grant permission, click on it and allow. After you can close this application. Now I swipe my notification bar. You can see our internet speed meter is already enabled. I can see internet speed and signal speed, mobile data and Wi-Fi data. In this method, you can enable your mobile internet speed meter option.